I see that.
It's a little bit on the busy side.
I could do that real good. Not well, I don't know if I can do that. So much to say. Yeah, so I turn one on this side, which is the other side, I got a gear on. Extra tickets!
This is a pretty rad looking Ferrari here. Super cool with those. That's the natural Cerakote color on the wheels. I think. I'm not positive about that, but somebody let me know what those are for on the rear wheels. I'm guessing it's for ventilation, but I don't know. Actually, I'm almost sure it's for ventilation. The McLaren looks so much like a Corvette. Corvette looks so much like the McLaren. It's so funny. So this is what we're looking at here. Pretty crazy. I'll take a big long walk here in a little while. Oops, excuse me. Kind of like the nicest cars start in the middle and then it moves out, but it really just depends on when you get here. So if you get here early, you get a much better spot. Like people ask me if they saved my spot for me, but they didn't save my spot for me. I just grabbed it when I got here because I was early. I got here before 8:30. And got a really good spot because of that. There's a green Lambo next to a green anime Porsche. Oh, sorry. Guys, I didn't keep it zoomed out. It's a beautiful hunter green. Pretty sick. This guy was parked next to me out in the parking lot. So even if you get here even relatively early, you end up out here. This is what happens when you early bird gets the worm, I guess, right? Not that it matters, but there's a GT4 RS. That's a cool looking red Ferrari. I've never wanted a red car, but the only one that I would even consider getting in red would be the Ferrari, which I couldn't buy a Ferrari because I don't like them. But we'll talk to these Cobra guys later and see if any of these are original. I think that one is actually, but we'll find out later. I'll ask him. It looks like somebody got a sponsor spot there with their very overpriced Sprinter van. Ooh, those are cool wheels. Look at those.
That's so sick, though.
Very cool wheels. That's a badass Porsche. I like that one. This one's pretty badass too. Still gonna have to get one someday. Oh, look at that, a Testarossa. Gotta love the old Lambos. Or, sorry, it's a Ferrari. Oh man, I'm punch drunk, got up too early. I like the old Ferraris a lot more than the new ones. But I like those wheels on that Beamer.
29!
Back to the car.